Hey y'all, let's rip one outdoors. How's everybody doing this morning? It's Saturday morning, 10:49 a.m. Beautiful morning. Gotta be in the 70s. What's on the agenda this morning? We got a Magicycle Cruiser put together for my brother Mickey. I was gonna do a video, but had some technical difficulties with cameras and all, and I just didn't do it. I said, well, we'll catch it on the next one. It won't be the last one, I promise you. So y'all know where we're at. We're out on Ridge Road here, coming up on this high rent district asphalt. You can tell when we hit it up here at the Picayune Corporation limit. We got Mickey's bike put together. We got him a rear view camera on here. We got his Magicycle phone mount. Man, he's got a nice bike. That's the Magicycle Cruiser, y'all. $13.99 for Magicycle. Nice rig. We're going out by the airport. We're just gonna ride out here and turn around. It's a little hazy, a little cloudy this morning. But it's a nice morning to get out for a ride. I'm gonna let Mickey get ahead and we'll watch him for a few minutes. You just go ahead. I'd say he's got a hang of it. Yeah, he's doing good. He's been riding a Towny Go, y'all. That Towny Go ain't got nothing. Ain't got nothing on that cruiser. Hey lordy. We got a cruising speed of 18 miles per hour here. Yeah, we got Mickey jacked up, wouldn't y'all say? To go from a Towny Go to a Magicycle Cruiser, yep, that's jacked up. Yeah, heading out by the airport this morning, see what we can see out this way. Hopefully when maybe y'all up in north will be getting some warmer weather soon, you can get out and ride. That Magicycle Cruiser there, that thing went together with no... I tell you, the only glitch was when we turned the lights on, the tail light didn't come on. I said reach right over there and grab that wire, and we bent that wire back around in the little plug there, and it come on. That's all. That's the only glitch. Everything else, it went together flawless. Look at these big old white birds out here, these egrets. Mickey, them some kind of an ibis. That's some kind of an ibis bird. They was out here the other day. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's fun. I think so, Mickey. He's asking me if that was just going to be one big building on the left there, and I think so. Boy, that's what I'm talking about. Wouldn't you like to have a load of that stuff?
Yeah, these shorts right here are tight. But Richard, one thing I noticed, the difference in brakes. Your brakes are different from these.
Oh yeah,
Them
yeah. You just have to push them a little stronger,
your
you know.
Hydraulics, you can tell the difference.
Oh yeah. Yep.
That black dirt there.
Yeah, they hauled all this dirt from down there in the dirt pits, and
see, I don't know if that's all. Well, if it's gonna be one building, it's gonna be huge. I'm sure they're gonna have a parking lot, maybe.
Oh yeah, I don't know who's doing this, but they got some equipment here, ain't they?
Yeah.
They got a Caterpillar motor grader, 2 motor graders.
I don't have no idea.
They got a sheep foot packer, bulldozer over yonder, and a bulldozer here, Komatsu over here. That's a big one there, ain't it?
Yep. Now, Richard, you know, they had the mud bog. Let's see where it was.
No, the mud bog was back down by Ed Frierson's.
That's
Yeah.
right. I don't know what I was thinking.
Yeah. Now, Mickey, you can go right down there to that gate there that goes down there, but they got private property sign. I mean, I don't think nobody'd probably say anything to you, but I usually just ride here and turn around.
That used to be the road that went to the old Taylor place.
That went in,
down in there.
right, that went into the backwoods back in there where we deer hunted. Yeah.
I do remember the school bus used to come up in here and pick up Terry Holyfield.
Yeah.
Benny's brother.
Yeah. And Mickey, ain't them houses yonder was still some of them original old houses?
I don't know who had them there, Richard.
Yeah.
I'm not sure, but I guess they had to be here, yeah.
And looks like down yonder they got a bunch of big barn or something another down there. You remember we used to come out here, Mickey, and dip crawdads out of these ditches? You remember that?
Yeah.
When we go.
It almost looks like water, some of it down there. Surely that ain't no big.
No, that's a building.
No, that's a building.
That's a building. That's a barn or something.
Yeah, we used to come and dip down here.
Yeah, we'd go fishing. We'd go trot lining. Look, them little old birds. They was out here the other day. I don't know what that is. I think that's some kind of ibis. But they sure are pretty. And there's 2 different kinds. You got the white ones and you got the brown ones.
Yeah. There used to be some of them around that pond over at that old place.
Yep.
Now the white ones, I never did see none of them. I never did see none of the brown ones.
Yep. Well, they got a whole flock of them down here. Oh, yeah. Just remember when you stop like we did that sometimes you might want to shift down, you know, so it don't jerk you so bad when you go to take off. Yep. I'm fixing to roll over 900 miles on this one. See, I think that road there comes out over there at Billy Wayne's. There's another one up in there. That's a side company. That's a side company. It's a side company. That's Oasis. Yeah. Y'all, it feels good to have somebody to ride with. Been riding all these time. I made all these videos, 70 some odd of them, 73 videos I believe I'm up to now. And I haven't had anybody to ride with. So it's good to have my brother out here riding. Got another brother, he's got a bike. We'll get him down one day and we can take us a good ride, 3 of us. Okay, y'all, we're gonna sign off for now. We're gonna stop here where the stop sign is. It's been good having y'all ride along with us, and we catch y'all on the flip-flop. Rip One Outdoors. Hey, y'all like and subscribe if you will.